This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity Podcast, the Becker Business Minute. These are 10 quick notes for January 24th, 2023. First, the markets jumped yesterday. Another positive day in the markets. We'll hope that continues. It doesn't look it will today. Second, the markets are somewhat mixed today, a little bit more down than up, but doing okay. Third, Treasury yields rose yesterday with the 1 year at 4.74%, the 2 year at 4.22%, and the 10 year at 3.52%. So those are our first three notes on the markets. Next, several stories we're following. Bitcoin, number 4, continues to rise this year. It opens today at around $23,000. It's literally up 36% over the last month. Fifth, oil is right around $81 a barrel and continues to keep sort of pump prices at a rational place at about $81 a barrel, sure better than the $110 a barrel that we had seen sometimes earlier late last year. Sixth story, Wayfair jumped 27% yesterday. This is the furniture maker, the famous online furniture maker. It had gotten destroyed a couple weeks ago in the markets, then jumped a little bit back from that. We'll see if that's a dead cat bounce or how that goes. So those are the first 6 stories on the markets, then Bitcoin, oil, and Wayfair. The 7th story we're following is our favorite, the Elon Musk watch. And I can't get enough of watching Elon Musk. Tesla jumped nearly 8% yesterday. Some analysts are starting to say that Tesla might actually be a buy. So that's the 7th story we're following today. The 8th story we're following right now is Spotify, the big podcast firm, the distribution firm. It announced layoffs yesterday. Its stock fell a little bit, then came back a little bit. We'll see how that goes. But that's another fascinating thing to watch is the whole Spotify world and how that goes. 9th, a couple positive signs for the housing market for the first time in a long time. One story, a real estate bottom. More home buyers jump back in as the year kicks off. That's in Yahoo Finance. And that's the first time we've seen that for a while. The 10th story that we're following today is Microchips. Had a very good day yesterday for the first time in some time. NVIDIA, which had a horrible year last year, rose 7.6% yesterday. AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, rose 9.22% yesterday. Also there's a great article on Intel by brilliant writer and reader and leader Brian Sozzi at Yahoo Finance. I love following Brian Sozzi. So those are 10 of the stories we're following this morning. I'll give you 2 quick extras if you'd like. There's a story in Bloomberg saying that Amazon has come back to being a value stock because at one time it was valued as just a tech stock. Now it's sort of a mix of both, and we'll see how that plays out. And then also a great story on hospitals. Hospitals highly focused on reducing travel, nurse, and temp staffing costs. Further, many healthcare systems are trying hard to introduce technology that will help them reduce the reliance on staff and staff costs. So again, those are 10 stories that we're following today, plus 2. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Podcast and the Becker Business Minute. Thank you very much.